Welcome all. I am Dr. Sanjeev Verma, HOS, School of Engineering and Technology. I am here to present Choice-Based Credit System, CBCS. What is CBCS? CBCS is an educational model that offers students to opt for courses and subjects of their choice, such as core subjects, elective courses, open or global electives, and skill-based courses. Unlike the traditional marking-based system, the CBCS grading pattern is based on earned credits in every semester. As UGC wants to develop a learner-centric or student-centric approach in the entire education delivery mechanism to help achieve the goals of the new educational policy 2020. Few important things that you need to know about the structure and implementation of choice-based credit system. First one is the learner-centric approach. CBCS system is student-centric. Student will choose interdisciplinary courses, skill-oriented papers, even from the other disciplines according to their learning needs, interest, and aptitude. More flexibility for students in learning. The students will be allowed to obtain credits by combining unique subject areas. Credit earned at one institution can be transferred to the another institution. These are the different subject categories: core courses, elective courses. In elective courses, there are discipline-specific elective course, generic elective, and projects. Ability enhancement courses. Here, ability enhancement, compulsory courses, and skill enhancement courses. Grading. In grading system follows the semester pattern where two consecutive semesters constitutes an academic year. Grading and evaluation of students' performance in each subject takes place at the end of each semester. CBCS uses a credit-based graded system and not a percentage-wise system. Credit system specified by UGC. These are the letter grades and grade point. O means 10 point. A plus 9. A 8. It is very good. B plus good. It is 7. B above average. It is 6. C average 5. P pass 4. F fail 0. And AB is the absent. Ballot system. In the beginning of each semester, all the subjects are made available to students. Students then can select the subject of their choice. Then the institution will be able to collect data on the preferences of the subject by students. Online system. For a large group of students, the better alternative is automated online system. An online system should ensure effective and easy implementation of the CBCS system, easy to improve, customize, and make changes in the future. The grading system is considered to be better than the conventional mark system, so it has been followed in the top institutions in India and abroad. These are the different keywords: academic year, two consecutive semesters constitutes one academic year. CBCS, the CBCS provides choice for student to select from prescribed courses, course, elective, or minor or soft skill courses. What is course? Usually referred to as papers, is a component of a program. All courses need not carry the same weight. The course should define learning objectives and learning outcomes. A course may be designed to comprise lectures, tutorials, laboratory work, field work, outreach activities, project work, vocational training, viva, seminars, term papers, assignments, presentations, self-study, etc., or a combination of some of these. Credit-based semester system, CBSS. Under the CBSS, the requirement for awarding a degree or diploma or certificate is prescribed in terms of number of credits to be completed by the students. Credit point. It is the product of grade point and number of credit for a course. Credit, a unit by which the coursework is measured. It determines the Number of hours of instruction required per week. 1 credit is equivalent to 1 hour of teaching or 2 hours of practical work or field work per week. Cumulative grade point average CGPA. It is the measure of overall cumulative performance of students over all semester. The CGPA is the ratio of total credit points secured by students in various courses in all semesters and the sum of the total credits of the courses in all the semesters. It is expressed up to 2 decimal places. What is grade point? It is a numerical weight allotted to each letter grade on a 10-point scale. Letter grade. It is an index of the performance of students in a set course. Grades are denoted by the letters O, A plus, A, B plus, B, C, P, and F, as I already told in previous slides. Program. An educational program leading to award of a degree, diploma, or certificate. Semester grade point average. It is a measure of performance of work done in a semester. We can call it as a SGPA. It is the ratio of total credit points secured by student in a semester and the total course credits taken during this semester. Each semester will consist of 15 to 18 weeks of academic work equivalent to 90 actual teaching days. Transcript or grade card or certificate. Based on the grades earned, a grade certificate shall be issued to all the registered students after every semester. The grade certificate will display the course details along with SGPA of that semester and CGPA earned till that semester. Now, this is all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I will tell you about